Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. This particular boat is powered by twin Mercury Verados, 250 horsepower each. As we're coming into the boat, a freshwater sprayer. Here at the back of the boat, have a nice flip down seat. This boat does have a raw water washdown. Really nice access to your batteries and all your systems below. Here, this boat is going to have a Kenyon grill, fridge, and a sink. Here on the port side, you have an adjustable seat that will fold all the way down, and storage underneath the seat. You have a nice head. Here, this boat is going to be equipped already with the Raymarine VHF and Fusion stereo. Also, this boat is yacht certified. Coming forward, you're going to have a bow block-off door and plenty of seating in the bow. This 27 Vantage is also going to have the windlass system for easy anchoring. That concludes the walkthrough of the 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.